Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video I'm going to teach you guys on how to connect your laptop screen into the TV screen. Okay, so let's do it. Alright guys, so this is all the wires and all the components that you need in order to connect your laptop screen into the TV screen. Okay, so first of all we need this wire, which is known as VGA cable. So you can buy it on online or nearby your house store, but I bought it in Shopee and it's just only costs around $8. And okay, the second item is we need the converter cable, like the main part of it. So this is the VGA to HDMI. Okay, so HDMI is a television wire that we need. We need to connect it through this one into the TV. So we need it as a converter for all of this process. And the third item is we need the HDMI cable, which is the only cable that can connect to the television behind. I will show you later, okay? Alright guys, so for the first item, we need this VGA wire to be connected from our laptop, and we're going to connect the other one part to this converter. Okay, so let's just connect it to our computer. So I'm gonna connect it here. Alright guys, so I have done connect the first VGA head into my laptop, and now we're going to use this converter. Okay, so this converter is just only cost around $10 also. Like, it's not really expensive. Like, yeah, it's just a normal things that you can get from the nearby store. Oh my god, it's so hard to get out. Alright, so yeah, this is the converter, the main part that we need in order to exchange our laptop screen data into the television HDMI. Okay, so the first one we got the HDMI, which is we're gonna connect the HDMI wire there with this, and the other part is the VGA one. So we're going to connect another VGA into this one. Okay. Alright guys, so this is the another VGA wire. Okay, so we're going to connect it to this converter. Okay, like that, and then spin all the parts until it's completely hold tight. Okay, I guess so. This is tight already. Okay, so we need the HDMI wire here. Okay, so yeah, let's open it. Alright guys, okay, so this is the HDMI wire that I bought from the store. Also, it just goes around $8 like that, but it's not that expensive. It's just normal wire. So yeah, we are going to connect it with this part, which is the other side of the connector. Okay, we're going to connect it with this. Okay, like that. So the last one is we're going to use this thing. Okay, this is a normal USB, which is another type, which is not type C, but it's already been given by in the box, also in this box, mini VGA to HDMI box. So we're going to connect to the power source here using the small head here. Okay, like that. And this USB, where we're going to connect it, we're going to connect it with this, I mean our phone charger. Okay, because it's like a plug that will give it a power source. So yeah, normally like that. So this is all the combination that we need, which is HDMI, power source, and VGA. Okay, so yeah, we're going to connect it to the plug there. Alright guys, so we're going to connect this plug into the power source. Okay. Also, I'm gonna connect it here, and yeah, the other part, which is the HDMI, another HDMI. We're going to connect it to the TV. Okay. Here is the TV, and the HDMI would be here. Sorry about the screen, it's so dark. Let me try open. Okay. So now we're going to connect it to the TV like this. Okay. There you go. Okay. So now, yeah, we already connect all the parts, and yeah, remember to start all the power, and also start your laptop at the same time. Okay, don't turn your laptop and then you just connect it while the laptop is alive, because it's not gonna work. It will work if you connect it with all these parts, all these components with your laptop and the TV. It will be turned on the same time with this laptop turned on. But when it's already turned on and you try to turn on this, and you just install this while this laptop is still turning on, it won't work. Okay, so we're gonna start the 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 power source here. Okay, like that, and go to your controller, just turn on. Okay, so now we will change it to the other source. Okay, so we now AV, we're gonna change it to HDMI, which we connect already, and this is the HDMI display, which we already connect with this thing and our laptop. Okay, so right now we are going to turn on our laptop. Alright, and make sure that this wire are already being connected. Okay, so now it's ready. We're going to turn on our laptop. Okay, we're gonna wait here. Make sure to turn on the power button there. Okay, because the source converter source needs this thing to connect while it's alive. Alright guys, so the laptop is turning on now. We're just gonna wait until it's out with the display. It will automatically connect to this. Okay, like that. There you go, bro. Okay, so now it's already connected. I'm going to open my laptop. Okay, like normally here. Okay, there you go. We got two screens now, all from the laptop, and now the TV has become a new monitor. Okay, like another the second monitor. Okay, so let it log in now. Okay, there you go, bro. We got the same screen, but we are connected to the television, so we can watch movie and play more games fun through this, and you can do your works also easier because the screen is way bigger now. So yeah, this is how it's gonna work, and yeah. Alright guys, so that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you guys. Don't forget to hit the like button if this video works and helps you, and I hope you guys can understand easily, because I have already simplified as much as I can to make you guys understand and explain every reason how can it works and what component you need in order to connect your laptop monitor into the HDMI television. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also hit the like button if you like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys.